Hey guys, Dan from Evolve Jeeping. Hope you're all having a good one. Today I'm in Canada for Canadian Thanksgiving. It's my annual end of the summer fall trip to see family, eat some good food, and have a good time. But it's also the trip that I make to take my Jeep from summer mode to winter mode. And what that means is removing the soft top and replacing it with the factory painted hard top. So in today's video, I'm going to be switching over. But while I do that, I'm also going to be upgrading the hardtop. You can see here, I have the Mopar headliner. It's great at helping with temperature control and then also helping with sound deadening. The only thing I don't like about this kit is you can see it doesn't cover the entire inside of the hardtop. So I find it looks a little bit cheap on the inside. So what I wanted to do was look at how I could upgrade it to make it more premium. I've seen other companies like AEV who do full paint the inside of their hardtops to give them that more premium. I didn't want to commit to painting. So what I came across was a company called Coverking. Coverking offers a full replacement liner here that goes on the inside. It's all, you can see it's all kind of molded for the headliner, and it basically peel and stick, put it in. It's supposed to cover the whole thing. From what I've seen in reviews, it's a pretty good product. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be pulling out the Mopar one and replacing it with the Coverkings. So far the Coverkings looks like a complete kit. It actually comes with a full bag. It actually has the tools in here needed to do the install. So they give you everything. The kit goes for about $439.99. I'll put a link below if you want to check that out. But from what I saw in the instructions, very simple procedure. Some unbolting, some little nubs and stuff you have to remove. And then basically it's pull off this, clean it up, and then peel and stick the new ones. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's dive into that install and I'll show you guys how it goes. So guys, the hard top is on and the headliner is installed. I am very happy about how this turned out. I definitely have that premium feel that I was looking for in the Jeep. Definitely also a little blacked out and nicer. So it's definitely more stylish. I think this is how Jeep's headliner should have came. Their little panel system, yes, it was great. It did some things, but this is more premium. When you're paying that extra chunk of change, you should be getting this. Hopefully maybe Jeep does this in the future and partners up with them and can do something, but this is very happy about the outcome. The install of it, I definitely recommend not doing it in cold weather or the wind. Wind made it challenging to put all the paper stickers down and tape down, and the cold just made it a little difficult for the tape to necessarily adhere, and also just pressing the carpet in. If the carpet had been warmed up by the sun, it would have been a little easier. So I definitely recommend doing it in the recommended temperature, which I believe was 65 degrees. So I recommend doing that. Other than that, some of the little things I want to say is this headliner has a few really good things and then slightly okay things. One of the good things I loved was this trim feature. They have a trim piece here and on the back doors. That's great because those points is right where the wind could catch. If you have the freedom tops off or the doors off, the wind could get under. So they've thought that through. They put this little plastic trim piece that will keep it from lifting up. So I think that's a great feature. I'm so impressed that they had that. Little things that I think could have been better. The fit over the back windows, the fit gets a little off. It's just not lining up perfectly. It's okay. It's definitely not something you notice, but I would have liked just slightly a little bit better. One more thing the kit could have done is more tape. I think they could have added more tape and more panels. If you're doing this yourself, I recommend going and getting some extra tape and add it wherever you feel the edges are. So far, I added a few pieces here and there, and if I feel I need to add more, I will. But overall, what they did offer is really good. So for $439.99, this is a pretty good option to add into your Jeep for the inside to make it just feel so much more premium. It does even come in 7 different colors. So yeah, check that out. I'm gonna put a link below and you guys should go check it out because I feel this is a pretty good product if you want to have a more premium inside feeling. At this point, guys, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to throw them up and I'll do my best to answer them. I'm gonna wrap this up, so please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have not already, check me out on Instagram at Evolved Jeeping. And at this point, I will see you guys on the next video.